policeman. Go on, you soppy rozzers.
It's not a soppy rotter, it's me, Wishee Washee.
Oh, come in, Wishee. There's a boy.
Hey, I got the laundry here.
Oh, there's a good boy.
One pair of Mr. Kelly's combination.
Which Mr. Kelly's that?
Let's have a look. Mr. Kelly from the Isle of Man.
Very good, I enjoyed that.
One angel's petticoat.
How do you know it's an angel's petticoat?
It's got St. Michael on the tab.
That's when I was married, St. Michael on the tab.
Yeah.
I always remember the Virgin. Oh, no, that's all right.
Well, that's another story. One pair of stockings without any feet.
I know they belong to.
Who?
Sandy Shore.
One pair of split jeans.
PJ Proby.
One large hairnet.
Mick Jagger. All right, get rid of them. Now, I'll tell you what. Did I hit anybody then?
Mick Jagger.
Now, I'll tell you what, we're going to make the dinner now.
Right.
Your favourite. Sausage pie.
Oh.
You like sausage pie?
Yeah, I like
it.
it.
Well, you get the flour.
Right.
Let's keep it in character. Get the flour.
Yeah.
And I put it... Ah!
What?
You know I like cleanliness in the kitchen. Wipe your hands, you naughty boy.
Oh, sorry.
Now, there's the sausages. Flying here. All right?
Right-o.
That's the idea. Now,
That
go!
is, they're all up. Hey!
Get out.
Did you get them?
No, just by and by.
Well, never
Now,
mind.
I'll have one of those chips. Oh, look at that.
What?
I do like cleanliness in the kitchen. Wipe that up immediately.
Oh, sorry.
Shut up.
You realise.
Oh, look.
What?
It's all covered with fluff.
Oh, that's
Give it
all
a
right.
brush. Oh, I'm sure I've got a cold coming on. The renowned society entertainers. They are.
That kills all known germs.
All right, now, Wishee, will you hold them down here for me?
Well,
and then we'll
okay,
cover them
yeah,
up. That's
okay.
the art. No wires. Hey, hold them down. Right. Il est mort, c'est triste.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da. All right, now.
Yeah,
Now you hold them down, will you, Wishee?
Okay, I've got them now.
And I'll cover them up. That's
Right.
the idea, boy.
Hey,
Now
lovely.
put them in the oven.
I know. Hey,
What?
my fingers are still in there.
Oh, we'll have to have fish fingers. Oh, come on. You want a job doing properly, do it yourself. There you are.
Yeah.
That's the idea.
Wait a minute,
What?
wait. Aren't you going to make the fancy pastry edges?
Oh, yes, I forgot about that. Excuse me a minute, will you? Oh. There you are. It's all right now.
Well, waste not, one not. That's what I always say.
That's what my dear late husband used to say with these very teeth. He really did. Ah!
What's he saying now?
Mammy!
I've been looking for you.
Aladdin Lockhart? What is it?
Where's your son, Aladdin?
Aladdin. Where's my son Aladdin?
I don't know where your Aladdin is.
Well, I don't know where he is, even if I wouldn't tell you.
Oh, I'm taking you to the station.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, no, you're